Write with me. A. A is for aeroplane. Say with me. Aeroplane. Again say with me. A is for aeroplane. Write with me. B. B is for book. Book. Say with me. B is for book. Write with me. C. C is for how. Say with me. How. Again say with me. C is for how. Write with me. D. D is for dolphin. Say with me. Dolphin. Again say with me. D is for dolphin. Write with me. E. E is for eagle. Say with me. Eagle. Again say with me. E is for eagle. Write with me. F. F is for fire. Say with me. Fire. Again say with me. F is for fire. Write with me. G. G is for giraffe. Say with me. Giraffe. Again say with me. G is for giraffe. Write with me. H. H is for house. Say with me. House. Again say with me. H is for house. Write with me. I. I is for eyes. Say with me. Eyes. Again say with me. I is for eyes. Write with me. J. J is for jeep. Say with me. Jeep. Again say with me. J is for jeep. Write with me. K. K is for knife. Say with me. Knife. Again say with me. K is for knife. Write with me. N. N is for lemon. Say with me. Lemon. Again say with me. L is for lemon. Write with me. M. M is for monkey. Say with me. Monkey. Again say with me. M is for monkey. Write with me. N. N is for narwhal. Say with me. Narwhal. Again say with me. N is for narwhal. Write with me. O. O is for ox. Say with me. O is for ox. Write with me. F. F is for panda. Say with me, panda. Again say with me, panda.
Yes!
Write with me, Q. Q is for what? Say with me, what? Again say with me, what?
Yes!
Write with me, R. R is for rooster. Say with me, rooster. Again say with me, rooster.
Yes!
Write with me, S. S is for sheep. Say with me, sheep. Again say with me, sheep.
Yes!
Write with me, T. T is for tomato. Say with me, tomato. Again say with me, tomato.
Yes!
Write with me, U. U is for UFO. Say with me, UFO.
Yes!
Write with me, V. V is for van. Say with me, van. Again say with me, V is for
Yes!
van. Write with me, W. W is for watermelon. Say with me, watermelon. Again say with me, watermelon.
Yes!
Write with me, X. X is for xylophone. Say with me, xylophone. Again say with me, X is for xylophone.
Yes!
Write with me, Y. Y is for yoga. Say with me, yoga. Again say with me, Y is for yoga. Write with me, J. G is for zebra. Say with me, zebra. Again say with me, zebra.
Yes!
Subscribe for more video.